Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2014 Ford Focus air filter, only ways. Open the hood, prop it securely, and find the passenger side air box next to the fender. Remove clips with a flathead screwdriver and set them aside carefully. Slide the cover off, note filter orientation, and inspect the old filter for dirt. Replace with the new filter, align it properly, reattach the cover, and clip everything back into place. In this video, I will explain how to change 2014 Ford Focus air filter, only way. With the cover off, use a torch if needed to check the intake area and remove any loose leaves or debris by hand or with a small vacuum. Note how the filter sits so the new one goes in the same way. Inspect the airbox for cracks and wipe clean with a lint-free cloth before installing the new filter. In this video, I will review how to change 2014 Ford Focus air filter, only way. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for keeping dust and debris off your garage floor while you work, and it even responds to voice control for hands-free cleanup. Think of it as a tiny assistant clearing up crumbs and grit so your workspace stays tidy. If you like this tip, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help change 2014 Ford Focus air filter, only way. Fit the new filter into the housing so the rubber seal sits flush, then replace the cover and secure all clips or screws firmly but not overly tight. Double check for gaps, then lower the hood and start the engine to confirm normal idle and no abnormal sounds. Routine checks every 12,000 miles or per your manual keep performance steady.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.